Welcome back to our channel, where we explore everything related to vehicles and help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how different types of tires can affect your vehicle's performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a casual driver, understanding the impact of tires on your vehicle is crucial for safety, efficiency, and overall driving experience. So, let's get started. Tires are often referred to as the shoes of a vehicle because they provide the only contact between your car and the road. They play a critical role in traction, handling, braking, and overall performance. Now, let's explore the different types of tires and how they can affect your vehicle. First up, we have summer tires. These tires are designed to provide excellent grip on dry and wet roads during warm weather conditions. They have a tread pattern optimized for maximum traction, allowing for precise handling and shorter braking distances. However, summer tires may not perform well in cold temperatures or on snow-covered roads. Next, we have winter tires, also known as snow tires. These tires are specifically engineered to enhance traction and handling in cold weather conditions, including snow, ice, and slush. Winter tires feature a specialized rubber compound that remains flexible in low temperatures, allowing for better grip. The tread pattern contains deep grooves and biting edges that bite into the snow, providing superior traction. Moving on, we have all-season tires. As the name implies, these tires are designed to provide adequate performance in various weather conditions throughout the year. They strike a balance between summer and winter tires, offering acceptable traction on both dry and wet surfaces. All-season tires are a popular choice for drivers who don't experience extreme weather conditions frequently. Now, let's talk about performance tires. These tires are designed for sporty and high-performance vehicles. They offer enhanced grip, cornering stability, and precise steering response. Performance tires feature a softer rubber compound and a tread pattern optimized for maximum contact with the road. However, it's important to note that performance tires may have reduced tread life compared to other types of tires. Last but not least, we have off-road or all-terrain tires. These tires are built to conquer challenging terrains, such as mud, gravel, and rocky surfaces. They have aggressive tread patterns with large lugs that provide excellent traction and self-cleaning properties. Off-road tires also offer enhanced durability and sidewall protection to withstand rough conditions. Now that we've discussed the different types of tires, let's talk about how they can affect your vehicle's performance. The type of tire you choose can impact several key factors. Firstly, braking performance. Tires with good traction and grip can significantly reduce your stopping distance, allowing for safer and more controlled braking, especially in emergency situations. Secondly, cornering and handling. Tires with better grip and stability can improve your vehicle's ability to navigate corners with confidence. This becomes even more crucial when driving at higher speeds or on winding roads. Thirdly, wet weather performance. Tires designed specifically for wet conditions, such as summer tires with specialized tread patterns, can help prevent hydroplaning by channeling water away from the tire's contact patch. Fourthly, traction on snow and ice. If you live in an area with cold winters, having winter tires can dramatically improve your vehicle's traction and control, reducing the risk of accidents on slippery surfaces. Lastly, off-road capability. If you enjoy off-road adventures, investing in off-road or all-terrain tires will provide the necessary grip and traction to tackle challenging terrains, ensuring a smoother and safer ride. Remember, choosing the right type of tire for your vehicle depends on your driving needs, climate, and road conditions. It's always recommended to consult with a tire professional or refer to your vehicle manufacturer's recommendations to ensure the best tire choice for your specific model. That wraps up our discussion on how different types of tires can affect your vehicle's performance. We hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Summer tires. Summer tires, also known as performance tires, are designed to provide optimal performance in warm weather conditions. Here are some key characteristics of summer tires. Tread compound summer tires are made of a specialized rubber compound that remains soft and flexible in warm temperatures. This allows the tire to maintain excellent grip and traction on dry and wet roads. Tread pattern summer tires usually have a tread pattern with fewer grooves and a larger contact area with the road. This design maximizes the tire's grip and responsiveness during acceleration, braking, and cornering. Handling and performance. Summer tires are engineered to deliver superior handling and precise steering response. They offer excellent traction and stability, allowing for better control and maneuverability, especially in dry conditions. Braking performance. Due to their grippy nature, summer tires provide shorter braking distances compared to other tire types. This characteristic is particularly beneficial during emergency braking situations. However, it's important to note that summer tires have limitations. A cold weather performance. Summer tires are less effective in cold temperatures. The rubber compound tends to harden in colder conditions, reducing traction and grip. As a result, summer tires may not perform well on snow-covered or icy roads. Wet traction. While summer tires excel in dry conditions, their performance on wet roads can be compromised. The tread pattern of summer tires may struggle to evacuate water efficiently, increasing the risk of hydroplaning. All-season tires. All-season tires are designed to provide satisfactory performance in a wide range of weather conditions, including both summer and mild winter conditions. Here are some key features of all-season tires. Tread compound. All-season tires utilize a rubber compound that offers a balance between grip and durability. The compound is designed to perform adequately in various temperature ranges, allowing for decent traction in both warm and cool conditions. Tread pattern. All-season tires typically have a tread pattern with moderate grooves and sipes. These grooves help evacuate water and provide traction on wet surfaces. The tread design is optimized for a compromise between dry and wet performance. Versatility. All-season tires are intended to handle a variety of road conditions, including dry, wet, and mildly snowy conditions. While they may not excel in extreme weather conditions, they provide a good balance for drivers who don't frequently encounter severe weather. Ride comfort. All-season tires often offer a smoother and quieter ride compared to performance-oriented summer tires. They are designed to provide a comfortable driving experience for everyday commuting and general use. It's important to keep in mind that all-season tires have certain limitations. Extreme weather performance. All-season tires may struggle in extreme weather conditions, such as heavy snow or icy roads. Their design and compound are not optimized for the best performance in these challenging conditions. Performance trade-offs. While all-season tires provide versatility, they usually do not offer the same level of performance and handling as specialized summer or winter tires. They strike a compromise to accommodate a wide range of conditions. Ultimately, the choice between summer tires and all-season tires depends on your specific needs and the climate in which you primarily drive. If you live in an area with distinct seasons and encounter severe winters, it may be advisable to switch to dedicated winter tires during the colder months for optimal safety and performance. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.